Transferring Amex points to Emirates Skywards is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, visit the American Express website and log in to your account. Once logged in, go to the Membership Rewards section of your account. This is where you can manage your membership rewards points. If you haven't already linked your Emirates Skywards account to your American Express account, you will need to do so. Now, look for an option to add or link frequent flyer programs within the Membership Rewards section. Follow the prompts to link your Emirates Skywards account. After that, find the option to transfer points to airline partners. In the Membership Rewards section, there should be a list of airline partners eligible for point transfers. Then select Emirates Skywards from the list. Follow the prompts to enter the number of membership rewards points you want to transfer to Emirates Skywards. American Express usually has a minimum transfer requirement, and transfers are typically made in increments of 1,000 points. Now, review the transfer details, including the number of points to be transferred and any associated fees or restrictions. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transfer.